Well, hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Contact List Builder training call. Janet Legere here, and I'm your host for these weekly calls. And this week we have an exciting hangout in store for you. I'm excited that we have a great turnout too. The best part of these hangouts is that it's immediately available on YouTube, and I'm putting it back in the office. I'm going to show you all that today. And today we're going to be talking about tracking your ads. I'm just going to go in here to my PowerPoint that I've got ready here. All right, so we've started. Whoops, here we go. A little ahead of myself there. Just want to review a bit about what we've covered in the last two classes. So 2 weeks ago, we showed you how to set up your GVO autoresponder campaign. You can use that strategy to set up any autoresponder that you have. If you're using GVO, it's very simple because we have a code that you can use and it's all done for you. We then showed you how to go in and create your GVO opt-in form, which you are going to use for your capture page. Last week, we showed you how to go in and create an ad creator capture page, how to put your autoresponder form in there so that the page goes to your autoresponder. We showed you how to add your picture, change your Skype ID. We also showed you how to use different templates that we have available for you at CLB. And we also showed you some strategies on how you can create your own capture page. And believe me, guys, over time, you're going to have lots of different capture pages, all promoting the same list. And that's when it gets really exciting because people start to see all the different sites you have and they start wanting to do business with you. So that brings us to today's training call. And this is the third in our series talking about tracking your links with a program called tracker.me. This program is a third-party program. It's an affiliate program. It's in the downline builder at CLB. And so when you follow the system that we teach at CLB, when you sponsor others into Contact List Builder, they're going to use the same tools you are. And of course, when they sign up with tracker.me and become an upgraded member, you'll earn a commission. I'm going to show you how to log in and set up your tracking link. You're going to need the ad creator link that we created in the last training call. So make sure that we're going to show you how to log into ad creator and grab that link. And then we're going to show you how to add your new tracking link to your ad. All right, because now that you've created a tracking link, you have to do something with it, right? And then we'll go in and I'm going to give you a little bit of a description of statistics so that you know how to read where your traffic is coming from and what it's doing for your pages. So without further ado, let's go into our system here and start our training. So the first thing that I want to remind you guys is where to find all this stuff. And you're going to log into your CLB Learning Members area here. If you go to the main site, there's a login link right on the page. Once here on the main site, if I go to the main page, it has a big blue button to the Ready, Set, Go marketing system. And you can always find it right here on the left, Ready, Set, Go marketing system. So this is all the training. This shows you how to set up your capture page, how to advertise, how to do all those things you need to do. Once you've learned all these strategies, you can then apply it to everything you're doing in business. I'm hoping that you'll continue to promote CLB the way we've showed you to set it up, because we really see the benefit of bringing your referrals through CLB and letting us train them.
Are you on desktop sharing?
Yes.
I have.
Oh, I'm not on desktop sharing. Thank you, Don. See, it's amazing that I have such a wonderful husband. So I've had all my PowerPoint up. I've had everything up, and none of it. I forgot to click the screen share. So here we go. There we go, my friends. We're back. It's a good thing I have help out there, hey? It's a good thing I have somebody helping me to let me know that I'm not doing it right. New technology, I'll get used to it. All right, so here we are. Now you can see my screen. I could go back to our slides if you want. I'll show them to you later. But the important thing is here we are. We're in our back office at Contact List Builder. And what I wanted to remind you is that right here, Ready, Set, Go marketing system. This is where you're going to find all the training to set up your lead capture page and to advertise it. Now, once you click on this button to come into the Ready, Set, Go marketing system, it loads this menu. This menu does not show until you click that link. All right, so once you're in here, you'll see all these sub-menus. Now, you can go through each page. As each page is set up, you'll scroll down and you can go all done, click here to next step, and it'll take you through each step. Do recommend you go through and read all that information, or you can come here and go directly to where you need to go. Now, I do want to show you, I'm going to click on here, lead capture page, because that's what we talked about the last 2 sessions. Here is our first video on how to set up your autoresponder. So as a CLB member, you can come in here, you can watch this video, and it will go through the whole process on how to set up your autoresponder. And then below here, you will find all the instructions on how to do that. And again, you can scroll to the bottom, click here to go to the next step, or you can come here on the right and go to the section that you need. So we can go to the GVO autoresponder, we can go to the subscriber form, which we did last week. That's all included in this video. Then we have the ad creator lead capture page section. So when you click on that, there's the video that we did last week on how to create your lead capture page. And below it are the written instructions, including, let me back up here. I guess it's down, including the shared code. So here it is, the shared code. This is the shared code for this capture page. I want to remind you, I'm going to come over here to our blog. This is the CLB blog. And down on the right-hand side, we have all these pages. And right here, CLB lead capture page templates. All right, so if you want to create some different templates, you'll find quite a few of them on this page. So let's come back here into CLB, and that's where you're going to set up your ad creator page, and you can watch that video from last week. Now, so we're all done that. We're going to go into advertising our lead capture page, and we're going to talk about tracking. Well, what exactly is tracking? Well, tracking is a way for you to figure out if you're getting any results online. You could be advertising, but if you don't know where your traffic is coming from and where your conversions are coming from, you could really be wasting precious time. And I'm going to let you know something. Time is money. And if you're going to be advertising online, you want to make sure that the resources you're using are effective, that they're working. And so I'm going to show you how to find those resources, how to tell if your ads are working, and how to set this all up. So as you can see, you can scroll down here. All the written instructions are here. It shows you how to go to tracker.me and register from the downline builder, how to log into your account. We're going to go through this in person. So the recording will be here, but I just want to show you that the instructions are all here for you. I'm going to come back up here. And I want to remind you that right after our call, the video will be placed right here as well. So you'll be able to come in and watch the video. So let's go over here, because the first thing we need before we do this, we need to sign up. So we're going to go into the affiliate toolbox to the downline builder. And if I scroll down, we've already signed up for all these programs. Remember, here's the first program, your primary business. That's the biggest bonus of CLB. So we're going to scroll down here under advertising resources, and we're going to go to tracker.me. So if you're not yet a member, you're going to go here to sign up, click here. This is always going to show your sponsor's URL. All right, it's not going to show your URL once you put your ID in here. It's only going to show your sponsors. Your URL shows right here. So it shows you that this is the URL that your referrals will see when they join. You can test your link right here. So once you enter your ID and click save down here at the bottom, update referral IDs, then you can come back here and you, okay, stop it, mouse. You can test your link right here. So we're going to click on here to sign up. It opens in a new window, and you would come here and you would get started for your 30-day free trial or grab your account right away. We're going to log in because we already have an account. I'm going to use my account here. So it's logged me into my account. This shows you the general statistics. You don't need to pay attention to much here. We're going to come over here to links. Now you'll see that I have quite a few links already set up. Yours will be blank, and you'll be wanting to set up a tracker. So we're going to come here. We're going to go add tracker. We're going to come back to this. I'm going to explain how to find your tracking results and what have you, but we want to set up our first tracker. So we're going to click add tracker. I want to track hits to a link. Oh, well, we need a link, don't we? I'm going to click on this. It says next step, but we need our link. So I've already opened ad creator. So if you can't remember where it is, it's just adcreator.com. You're going to log into your back office. And remember last week I created a capture page for Dawn. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go to My Designs because that's where my links are listed. We only have one set up here. You may have multiples. On my account, I have many. So you're going to click on this one. This is the capture page that I want. And here's Dawn's link, your squeeze page link. I can open it up and show you. Here's the page we created for Dawn. So I'm going to copy this link right here. I can also copy it from the Ad Creator back office. I could just right click here and go copy link address. All right. We're going to come back over to tracker.me now. I want to track hits to a link. So I'm going to click next step. The tracker name, I'm going to call it CLB capture page. I don't want to display the social bar. I tend to not do that, but you're more than welcome to. It's another way to get people to sign up in tracker.me. URLs to track. See, it's got plural. I'll show you something here magical in a minute. So I'm going to enter my URL there. I just went Control-B, or I could right-click and click paste. And then I could add another URL. So if I had more than one capture page, which I certainly do, I could add them all here. Now, I want to caution you, if you're going to do this, and I hope you're listening very carefully, if you're going to do this, if you're going to add more than one URL to your tracker, make sure each one of those capture pages is going to the same autoresponder, that it's for the same program. So in this instance, you would put your CLB capture pages. If you've created more than one, you would put them all here, and that would rotate between those pages, and you would soon see which one is converting better. So let's go to the next step. We're just tracking one link. Here's our tracker URL. So there's a unique tracking link that we can use to advertise. But I want to go to advanced settings, and this is important. I'll show you why. We're going to click on edit advanced settings. So here we are. I've got my title, CLB capture page. Now this little thing here says tracker folder. I could give it in a name. So instead of, this is to split my trackers into groups. Sorry, I'm on the wrong folder. You're just going to leave this one blank. With tracker.me, you can select a different URL. I'm going to just select the default. Here's where you can change the number. So the default tracking link is a number. If you want to create a name, a unique name, so I'm going to put CLB Dawn. I'm doing that because I'm using my tracker and I have a lot of links that I'm tracking. And so I'm doing this so I know that this is Dawn's link for Ad Creator. It's going to populate his whole system. So it's going to be unique to him. It also makes it easy for me to find it. My tracking results. This is important. All right. This is another important piece that you really need to do, or it won't track your conversions. Now, a conversion is when somebody fills out the form to become a subscriber. So they fill out the form and they click submit. If you're using a splash page, which says click here, then that's what they would be converting. Now, you'll see here you have two options. Well, you can manually track it. We don't want to do that. We want to automatically track it. Now, you can track clicks as conversion, which you would do if you had a splash page. We want to automatically track form submissions as conversions, which means when they fill out the form and click enter, they've become a subscriber and you have a conversion. I hope that makes sense. The rest we're going to leave just the default. We don't need to change any of that. And now we're going to save settings. Make sure you save. And there we are, we're done. So now we're going to go back to stats. And we don't have any, okay? But this is where they will show. So here's my capture page. If I had more than one, they would all be listed here. I'll show you an example in a moment. When we do get some tracking statistics, they're going to show up right here. All right, so right now it says there's no data in our table. But this is important. This is the link we need to use. All right, so you're going to copy that link. So I'm going to highlight it. I can go copy, or I can go Control-C on my computer. So now we've got that. Now we need to use it. What do we do with it? Well, we're going to send an ad, right? We're going to go and we're going to send an ad for Contact List Builder. So let's come back to Contact List Builder. I need to show you a couple things. In the affiliate toolbox up here, you're going to find some ads for contact list builder. So here's one that, what is CLB? Do you have Janet's secret weapon? Can you join me Monday night? This is to invite your guests to our CLB presentation on Monday night. And I put a new ad up yesterday for this call. Your results are guaranteed. This is the ad we're going to use. Hello, friends. You'll see this ad is coded to you. So there's my URL. I'm logged into my account. It's got my name because I'm logged into my account. This will have your URL and your name. All right, so there's that ad. Well, I'm going to copy this ad. So I just highlighted the old thing, and I'm going to copy that text. I'm going to come here and open a little notepad file. Did you see I opened notepad? And I paste that there. This is the ad I'm going to use, but I'm not going to use this URL. I'm going to replace that with my tracking link. So when I come back to my tracker, I'm going to grab my tracking link right there. I'm going to copy that, come back to my text ad, and I'm going to replace my affiliate URL with my capture page. All right, so instead of sending them directly to CLB, I want to send them to my capture page, and I want to track my hits. All right, so did you see what I did there? I've taken the, now instead of it being my CLB affiliate page, it's going to my tracking link, which is tracking my capture page. Now I'm going to grab this tracking link. I just want to show you, if I bring it up in a new window and I paste that link in here, it's going to bring up on capture page, right? Isn't that cool? I think that's pretty cool. So here we have our ad. We would copy this whole ad, and now we're going to go send an ad, which I'm actually going to do. I'm just going to log into Hercules because I know that I have an ad available to me in Hercules. Listen, guys, if you're not using Hercules, we need to talk. Oops. You need to get in touch with me. You need to find Hercules in our viral mailer downline builders. It's a program you need to use, all right? They offer solo ads that are very affordable, and their members really do read ads. So here we are. This is like any viral mailer, all right? They all look a little different. They all have different menus. But what you want to do is come into your viral mailer, find where you can send an email. It's either going to say send mail, or here it says email database. So I'm going to click email database, and it brings up my system so I can send an email. And here's my email form. So let's go back to CLB because my subject is here. Whoops. There it is. Here's my subject. Your results are guaranteed. You want to use a different subject, you go ahead, but we're going to use that subject. Your results are guaranteed. And we're going to come and we're going to paste our ad down here into this white box. So, whoops, I need the whole ad. There we go. I copied the whole ad right there. I come back here and I'm going to paste it in there. Now with Hercules, and as is with many viral mailers, you can hyperlink your link in the ad. So I'm going to scroll down here. There's my link. So two things are going to happen here. I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to come here and click this little icon that is my hyperlink icon. They're different in every viral mailer. And I'm going to paste my link there and click OK. So now you can see my link is hyperlinked. I think this text is quite small, so I'm going to make it bigger. And there we go. Now, that hyperlink I had right here, CLB Dawn, I need to put it here. This is the credit link, and most viral mailers have a place for you to put your URL. Most viral mailers also check your URL, and I'll show you an example of that right away. So we're going to come here, and I'm going to click Submit. It says, are you sure you want to send? Yep. And off it goes. So now I said I wanted to show you an example of a different kind of viral mailer. So I'm going to go into, let's go into, sorry, Prospect Geyser Co-op. If you're not familiar with Prospect Geyser Co-op, is in the downline builder of Contact List Builder. Hello, welcome, Janet. I'm going to come here and I'm going to log in as me. This is like this with every viral mailer. You're going to log in. This one has some special offers. Got to yes, take me through. Come on, there we go. We still have our Black Friday deals on this week. We're going to keep those running until Friday. So if you haven't upgraded in our viral mailers, now's the time to do it. And listen, got to tell you guys, here's the deal of the century. Unlimited credits. You buy once, you never have to worry about credits again. Pretty awesome stuff. So here we go. We're in our members area. We're going to watch.
Welcome to Got Backup. It's never...
Thank you. We're going to, this is a login ad at Prospect Geyser Co-op. So we want to earn our credits. We have to wait for that to run down. This is common in most viral mailers. So I'm just going to say no thanks. I'm not going to leave a comment. Here we are in our members
Hello
area.
and welcome to Prospect Geyser.
All right. I'm always listening to myself. So here we are in PG Co-op. The link is mailer. So we click on mailer. It brings up some options. Here's where you enter all your promo codes. We want to send a mailing. So I'm going to click here. So it brings up my my editor. Now I need to go back and get my subject again. All right, it was your results are guaranteed, right? It should come up when I put it in here. Your results are guaranteed. Now I already have the URL in my memory here. I know that because that was the last thing I copied. So I'm going to paste that here first. There's my URL that goes in the credit link. Okay. Now this is something that's going to be, you need to listen. Okay. So I'm copying my ad. In Prospect Geyser Co-op and most of these viral mailers, you cannot have a URL in the body. What you can do is put the credit link code if you want, or put nothing. Okay. So in these type of viral mailers, it's either put the credit link or don't put anything in the body of your email. We've got our subject. We've got our body in place. We've got the ad. Now we get to select the credits. All right. So I need to use 2,400 credits. I'm going to reach 2,400 active members. I want to send this to my downline members as well. So that will bump that number up. It's all ready to go. And I'm going to click send. I could send it on a different time if I wanted to. Now, here's what I meant, that it's checking. So it's gone through all these checks, and it's checked everything. It says it's passed them. Now, I need to physically confirm. So there's Dawn's site. So I know that it worked, and it's done. All right, so if I come over here to mailer, sent messages, it shows the messages that I've sent. All right, so let's come back over here to our tracker. I'm going to click on this one, and we'll see if we've sent 2 ads out. I'll be surprised if there's anything happening yet, but okay, so there is already. All right, so I just sent the ad out, and I've already got 2 clicks from Prospect Geyser Co-op. No conversions yet. All right, when I get a conversion, it'll show here. So let me show you some examples. I'm going to come over here. Now here's the Prospect Geyser. Speaking of Prospect Geyser Co-op, here's a tracking link that I've been using for PG Co-op. You'll see that I had different splash pages I was using, and right now I'm just using the one that converted the highest. Do you see the numbers here? So when I tested them, this page converted the highest. So that's the page I'm using, and here's what I want to show you. These are the conversions. These are your hits. And this is where they're coming from. So I've sent ads out here, and my traffic leads to income viral mailer. Pretty awesome mailer. Look at this. 8 conversions. That's 8 people signed up. Genie mailer. 8 conversions. You guys want to know if our mailers work? There's proof positive right there. Guaranteed solo mails. 7 conversions. I've sent you guys information about guaranteed solo mails. Pretty awesome program. Viral URL. Look at this conversion. 24% out of 25 clicks, 6 people signed up. Herculist. Didn't I just say Herculist is pretty awesome? Look at that. 6 conversions. State-of-the-art mailer. Enchanted emails. Guys, I sent an email out about enchanted emails last week. If you didn't grab it, here's a reason to grab it. Okay, I've already had 5 conversions. It's just a small list. It's just starting. So this shows you, all right, so you can see that as you start advertising and your hits come in, you'll get your conversions here. Now you will see this. I want to point this out where it says none. This usually means that its program isn't tracking where the destination is, like if it came from XYZ safe list. Okay, so it's just saying it came from their email. So don't worry about those. It's that it kind of skews the conversions a little bit, but the main mailers do definitely show you which ones are coming. So you can see all these mailers here. These are all my top mailers that I recommend, and they all work exceptionally well if you use them consistently. So I just want to show you, you're going to come in here, you go to your links, and you can check all your links here. I'm going to go down here. I can show you some of the CLB ones. Trying to figure out which ones that I've been using lately. All right, the Earn While You Learn one was a really good one. So you can see here, this one hasn't had any conversions, but it's only had a few hits. This is, I'll show you this one. Whoops, I went to the wrong one. See, isn't it great? I can't really break it. I can just go back and forth. There's the one I want. So when I want to check my results, so I come down here and see the little wrench. I just click the wrench. Now this little button, see the little pin? If I click that, there we go. It moved that now up to the top so I can check it regularly if I wanted to advertise this. Now remember the one we have for Dawn? I can type it up here, CLB Dawn. And there it is. So it shows me it. I'm going to pin that one too. There we go. So now I can watch the traffic as it comes in. I can advertise to the rest of my viral mailers today, and I can watch that number go up. So I want to show you this one. I haven't been advertising this one for a while, but I want to show you the conversions. I'm going to go and select a different date because we're going to go all time because I want to show you that. So here's all the conversions that I've used as I've been advertising this page, right? Viral Mail Profits. You see, they're all safe lists that I've been promoting and, you know, tell you that work. They really do work. Tracker.me in the CLB downline builder. All right, so you just log into CLB, go to the downline builder, you'll find tracker.me there. You can sign up with your CLB sponsor. Whoops, there goes my seek and send. You can log in then and set up your tracking link once you sign up. You'll need your ad creator capture page that you created. If you have more than one, you can add them to the same link. You're going to add your tracking link to your ad. And I'm going to come back and show you some other examples of ads. And we talked a bit about understanding your statistics. So I really hope that this has helped. I hope it's kind of clarified some of the confusion about trackers. And I just want to remind you, if you're looking for more ads that you can use, there's those few in the back office of CLB. But on our blog, if you're ever looking for things, come to the contactlistbuilder.com/blog, and you'll find lots of CLB information here. You'll find more lead capture pages, and right here you'll find some CLB email ads. These are a little bit different than what's in your back office. So you'll just come in here and you'll have to put your own links. Wherever I have the affiliate link, that's where you want to put your capture page. All right, so with any of the CLB ads, you want to replace your affiliate link with the capture page, because building your list is what you should be doing first. So that's it from me today. Let me come back into our call. There we go. Whoops, we'll come out of sharing. And we're just back on our Hangout here. You guys have been awesome. Thank you for attending. You will find this recording in the back office of Contact List Builder. Next week, we start advertising. We're going to show you how to use Udemy and send a solo ad that's going to bring you phenomenal results. All right, you guys have been awesome. Thank you. We'll see you next time at Contact List Builder. Until then, happy list building. Have a great day. From Janet Legere. Bye for now.